Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can enable full screen incoming calls on your iPhone iOS 14. What you need to do is just open your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on Phone, then tap on Incoming Calls and select full screen. And next time you'll get a call, a notification is going to be in full screen. And if you decide to change it back to banner style, then go back to incoming calls and select banner. That's how you can enable full screen incoming calls on your iPhone iOS 14. Thank you for watching.